When it comes to finding the best architectural designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leading name in the industry. With years of experience and a reputation for excellence, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted and reliable partner for all architectural design needs. As one of the best architectural designers in Yelahanka, SCON Design is known for its innovative and creative approach to design. The team at SCON Design is comprised of talented architects and designers who are passionate about creating spaces that are not only visually stunning but also functional and practical. They understand the importance of balancing aesthetics with functionality, and strive to deliver designs that meet the unique needs and preferences of their clients. SCON Design is committed to providing top-notch architectural design services that exceed client expectations. Whether it's a residential project or a commercial development, the team at SCON Design works closely with clients to understand their vision and goals. They take into consideration factors such as budget, timeline, and site constraints to develop designs that are tailored to each client's specific requirements. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered one of the best architectural designers in Yelahanka is their attention to detail. They believe that every element of a design should be carefully considered and thoughtfully executed. From the choice of materials to the placement of windows and doors, every aspect of the design is meticulously planned to create spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. When it comes to architectural design, finding the best designers is essential to ensuring a successful and aesthetically pleasing project. In Yelahanka, Bangalore, one company stands out as a leader in the field: SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and commitment to excellence, they have established themselves as the best architectural designers in the area. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced architects who are passionate about their work. They understand the importance of creating spaces that are not only visually appealing but also functional and efficient. Whether it is residential, commercial, or institutional projects, their designers have the knowledge and creativity to bring the client's vision to life. What sets SCON Design apart from other architectural firms is their attention to detail and their ability to understand the client's needs and preferences. They take the time to listen to their clients and understand their requirements before starting any project. This ensures that the final design reflects the client's style and personality while also meeting their practical needs. Another factor that makes SCON Design the best architectural designers in Yelahanka is their commitment to sustainability and environmentally friendly design. They believe in creating spaces that are not only beautiful but also sustainable and energy efficient. Their designers incorporate green building techniques and materials into their designs, helping clients reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy costs. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has an impressive portfolio of completed projects in Yelahanka and beyond. Their designs range from modern and contemporary to traditional and